Hey guys, it's Dr. Stacy Naito here. So for those of you who may not know who I am, let me give you a little bit of background. I am a Los Angeles-based board-certified family practice physician. I am actually a published researcher in the field of a lumbar somatic dysfunction, so I know a lot about back pain, and I actually also work in a physical medicine and rehab facility where I deal with patients who have all kinds of pain, but there are many who deal with back pain. Now what I'm seeing is that it's not just like the elderly. I'm actually seeing a lot of people in their 30s, some even in their 20s, especially those who work in desk jobs, who are complaining of back pain and they don't know how to get rid of it. They'll take medications that they don't respond to, and they're just frustrated. So, they want an answer. They want some kind of a solution. So, enter the BBP method, which stands for ByeBackPain method. So, this is a wonderful course. It's an online course. It has all these different modules where you basically follow through and you can determine what the root source of your back pain is. And that is genius, because once you find out why you have back pain, then you can actually treat it effectively. And that's the point of it, right? You want a solution, but you got to find out what the problem is. So discover what the problem is, and then you have the solution. So I have a number of patients who work desk jobs, and some of them are quite young. I mean, they're as young as their late 20s, and they're already having issues with back pain. Now, with some of them, I can see that they have postural issues, but with others, there may be a leg length discrepancy, or there's an issue with the hip. With other patients, I've actually been able to determine that there's been sort of an emotional or spiritual component. So what I love about the BBP method, which has been developed by medical colleagues, chiropractors, physical therapists, and yoga instructors, is that the method really does explore all the possible root causes for low back pain. And so going back to the example of these people that I see in the office setting who are in their late 20s, I mean, they shouldn't have to be dealing with that. So now with some of these patients, they'll also tell me, I'm so busy I can't come into the office to see you. Well, with the BBP method, you have it available to you online. So 24/7, you can go onto the website, you can do the coursework, you can do the exercises, you can do the training, and you can get better because you have that convenience of the program being there and available for you whenever you need it. So if you're sitting there and you're kind of wondering, well, should I do this? I mean, honestly, what have you got to lose? If you have been dealing with back pain all this time and you have not had any relief, despite massage, despite medications, despite all different kinds of therapies, then you should really look into the BBP method. It's worth your time, it's worth your effort, absolutely, because don't you want to have a better quality of life, honestly? I mean, I know I do. Honestly, I think that, because I deal with back pain patients and I see, the whole spectrum of different causes and different issues, I really want you folks to be open to the idea of letting this program help you. I mean, this is sort of like my gift to you, is telling you about this so that you can avail yourself of the services, so that you can have this available, so you can get relief, especially during this time. We are, in the middle of very, very difficult times. And so, now you kind of are stuck where you can't go in to see a physical therapist. Well, you can use the BBP method. Okay guys, so I'm so glad you listened to the end, because I have a surprise for you. So for one of my followers, I'm actually going to give you a bonus coupon, which is valued at $97, which means that you can try the program for free. So in order to qualify for the giveaway, I need you to do two things. I want you to make sure that you are subscribing to my YouTube channel. That's number one. And the second thing is I need you to enter a comment either on this YouTube video or on a Facebook post that has this video included. Just tell me how long you've been dealing with back pain and what treatments you have tried in the past that did not work. So I'm going to give you about 3 weeks. We'll do the giveaway on the 20th of April. Okay, so that gives you guys plenty of time to respond, react, comment, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. And on April 20th, I will announce a winner. So thank you so much for listening, guys. You are the best, and I'm really rooting for you to have a back pain-free life. Thanks again. Bye.